Hello my lovely people, welcome again to another tutorial. Today I received this HP laptop from one of my bosses, Mr. Kwesi Nsia. He complained the laptop has a dim display. So as you can see, the backlight is not turning on. So let's quickly disassemble the laptop and fix it. My first step of troubleshooting backlight issue is to disassemble the laptop screen section and reset the LCD cable from the LCD connector. As you can see, this is the LCD connector. I'll just remove the cable and refix it to see if that solves the problem. Now let's turn on the laptop. As you can see, the problem is still there. So let's go to my second step. So here I will disassemble the main casing to gain access to the motherboard. Now, let's look for the motherboard LCD connector. This is it. But before we proceed, we need to download the motherboard schematic diagram to show us the pin connection, since all computer motherboard connection varies from one manufacturer to the other. Now, this is the motherboard code. We need to Google and download the schematic diagram with it for free. This is the schematic diagram for this model. Let's look for the LCD connector page and do some testing. This is the LCD connector. Here we are going to test these 4 important pin connections for any laptop backlight issue. If the voltage from the pins is less than what is indicated on the schematic diagram, it means there is a problem with the source of the voltage and you need to correct it from where the voltage is coming from. As you can see, all the voltages are okay, so let's proceed to the final step. Now, let's proceed to the third or final step, that is to check the screen main backlight fuse. First of all, remove the rubber protection around the screen circuit board and locate the main backlight fuse. Now turn the computer on. This is the main backlight fuse. Now let's check the voltage of 8 to 20 volts at each side of the fuse. In my case, you can see one side has voltage of 8.7 volts, whilst the other side is 0 volts. This means the fuse is faulty. Now let me use my tweezer to short it and see if the screen backlight will lit. Observe carefully. The light is now on. Now let me use a jumper wire across the fuse to solve the problem. You can simply replace it or use a jumper wire around it. Now you can see the backlight is okay. Let me quickly reassemble the laptop for final testing. As you can see, everything is fine now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value from this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in another video.